2010, the group of us had thought about an idea. 15 years later, reflecting in hindsight, it has grown above and beyond. We dream about reaching the moon. I would say FPS dreams about reaching other galaxies.
Back 2010, our goal was to set a new standard for the market. And quickly we find out it's really challenging, so we quickly changed our mindset to change the market, to adapt it to our new standards. So as today, the FPS standard become a gold standard out there.
The idea was to create a dream, create an idea where we could potentially be more than a freezer company. So that was the beginning, and 15 years later, and we have just become global, a multinational global player in equipment supplying beyond freezers. We have a foothold in most continents, but our reputation still needs to be grown and developed. We believe in working with our partners, be it a customer or a supplier. With those really strong relationships, we're able to focus on the business and growing the future and new technologies, which keep our vendors ahead of their competition and keep our customers ahead of theirs.
My name is Stefan Brask, and I'm a production leader here at Food Hills in Sweden. Congratulations on your 15th anniversary, and we're looking forward to your future collaboration.
We are super happy to be here represented as a partner to FPS. I hope this is only the start of a long and fruitful cooperation.
It's both an honor and a privilege to be given the opportunity to share in the celebration of this remarkable milestone, the 15th anniversary of FPS. Together we have taken on complex challenges, navigated obstacles, and delivered exceptional results that we can all be proud of.
Hello， 大家好，我是雪村农业集团的吉米政府处。FPS 与雪村8年来精诚合作，互利共赢。感谢 FPS 一路来的支持与陪伴，每次挑战都让我们关系更加紧密。未来让我们携手共创更多佳绩。祝 FPS 15周年庆典圆满成功，辉煌继续。
I just want to say congratulations to FPS on 15 years of doing business. We couldn't be more proud of the relationship and the work that we've done, and are incredibly excited about the future yet to come.
This is the platform will take us to multiply what our current size today, and this is the way how we want to grow.